Today, look what I found. I found a baby brown snake in my yard. My dogs were barking at it, and my cat and dogs were trying to attack it, but I stopped them and we captured it. The babies have black heads and a brown body. There's my cat. Somebody's coming to get it to go and release it back into the wild. We need to probably go over on the other side now. Okay, here we are. It's cute, but definitely very dangerous. Here's my cat again, trying to get it. It's trying to escape, but it's gonna be released back into the bush where it belongs. And it can have a good life to grow up to be an adult snake. Yeah, but my dogs and cat was trying to get it, but luckily nobody got bitten, as far as I know. The dog might have, but I'm not quite sure. It's only a little baby, so release it back into the wild so it can have a long life, hopefully. These are very dangerous snakes, so would have came from the bush near my house. And there's probably going to be more, because if there's one baby snake, there's going to be more snakes, baby snakes. So, after warn people around the area, there's baby brown snakes. It's very stressed or curious, probably both. It's very interesting how they move. Yeah, he's probably like stressed. He's trying to get out. Here and there you might see his tongue flicker. Today, that will be the end of today's video, and bye for now.